Ever wonder how some students at top universities like Harvard seem to absorb huge amounts of information, stay motivated, and still find time to breathe? Here's a secret. It's not about being born a genius, it's about strategy. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful study techniques that Harvard students actually use, and how you can apply them today to transform the way you learn. Let's dive in. 1. The Feynman Technique. If you can't teach it, you don't know it. This technique forces you to simplify what you've learned by teaching it to someone else, or pretending to. Pick a topic, close your textbook, and explain it out loud in the simplest terms possible. If you get stuck, you found a gap in your knowledge. Go back and review. Harvard students often use this during study groups. It turns passive reading into active mastery. 2. Spaced repetition. Your brain loves time gaps. Instead of cramming, use apps like Anki or simple flashcards spaced over several days. It's based on how memory actually works. The more times you recall something over increasing intervals, the deeper it sticks. Think of it like planting seeds. You don't water them all at once. You space it out. This is why top students don't just study hard, they study smart. 3. Active recall, no more highlighting. Reading and rereading doesn't equal learning. Harvard students test themselves constantly, writing down questions after lectures, quizzing themselves, or using apps. Try covering your notes and recalling what you remember. It feels harder, but that's the point. Struggle, stronger memory. 4. The Pomodoro Technique. Your brain loves breaks. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break. This method fights mental fatigue and helps you focus deeply without burning out. It's not about studying all day. It's about studying with full focus in short bursts. Harvard students value their time, and this is how they protect their energy. 5. Interleaved Practice. Mix it up. Instead of studying one subject for hours, mix related topics. For example, if you're learning math, alternate between geometry, algebra, and word problems. This forces your brain to constantly switch gears and apply knowledge in different ways, exactly how you'll need it in real life. It's challenging, but it builds real understanding. Remember, great students aren't just smart, they're strategic. Try 1 or 2 of these methods today and see how your brain starts to shift. Success is not about doing more, it's about doing what works. Now go out there and study like you go to Harvard.